No, no freaking way, I am not eating this piece of trash. Me neither, I am not eating this either.
Bully and Furnace Bully, you are eating this at the restaurant, so eat it.
No, we want Arby's.
Bully and Furnace Bully, we are not having Arby's, we are having pork chops and shrimp at this restaurant, now eat it.
No, that's it, we are getting rid of this trash. I agree with Furnace Bully.
Oh my god, Bully and Furnace Bully, how freaking dare you throw your dinner at the wall of this restaurant, now you've made a huge mess because of that.
That's it. Both of you are grounded for 649 decades, and both of you will be kicked out of the restaurant by the waiter. Bully and Furnace Bully, I saw you throwing your dinner at the wall. That's it. Both of you are kicked out of the restaurant. Get out of the restaurant right now.
No 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 no. No 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 no.
After getting kicked out of the restaurant,
Both of you go home and go to your room, right now, and no dessert for both of you.
Wow.